What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. The market's nuts. The current market is down over 800 points. This is insane. Check it out. What's going on, guys? I hope you had yourself a great weekend and ready for the week. The overall market is insane right now. But before we continue any further, do me the quick favor, smash the like button for me. It helps out, it goes a long way. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and make sure you check out the link in the description section below so you can download the Webull app. It's like Robinhood, only better. And once you fund your account, right, you can get 2 free stocks. So that's a no-brainer. It's free money. So you get the free stocks. If you like them, you keep them. If you don't, you sell them and you go out to dinner. Hey, it's a win-win. So make sure you go ahead and take advantage of that. But the market yesterday in the future session, right, last night, the markets were down. And I mean, we were looking at 200-300 point deficits at points, and it was pointing to a real nasty open today. And so far, look at this gap down, guys. This is huge gap down from $330 some odd all the way down to a low of day of $322.86 on the SPY. Okay, the overall market is down right now as I do this video, $843.22. So like we're down. That's 2.9% right now, 2.92% to $846. There's a lot going on, guys. And it's not all only just because, oh, the coronavirus. No, it's about the coronavirus is expanding, right? And like more countries are starting to get hit. And these are countries that don't have the strength of maybe the Chinese economy or maybe the US economy. And that's all going to start to really hurt the overall macro economy right there. Like it's just going to start to happen, and we're going to probably see some more downside this week. It's going to get really volatile, and there's a lot of opportunity with this right now. Yesterday when I saw this, obviously I fully expected there to be a gap down, not this big, and I was actually kind of mad at myself because on Friday I thought about buying a couple SPY puts for the overnight, but I was like, you know what? No telling what happens over the weekend, so let's not do that. And I should have done it because I would have made some real good money. But nonetheless, I expected a gap down, but not this. At one point in pre-market, we were 900 points down. It was insane. And when you see a gap down like that, it's much like when you see a huge gap up, right? Like the move is taken away from you. You no longer have that move that you can take advantage of, right? Because it's already been taken out of you. Like the play is no longer there for you. Generally, you'll get a lot of choppiness and stuff like that. And well, as you can see here, there has been a lot of choppiness. The SPY, gap down, pushed off of that, and then try to hold VWAP. Real choppy. I got chopped up twice in this VWAP, bouncing around here, looking for the VWAP break. But I kept it small. Okay, because when I realized this, because yesterday I was thinking to myself, oh, tomorrow's going to be a $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 winner day. That's what I really was thinking, because I didn't expect this huge gap down. I thought we'd gap down a couple hundred points and then we'd have, a real good shot at something clean, a clean move. But that's not what happened. So I initially said to myself, you know what? I'm going to be very, very, very conservative here and just take starters and ease my way into a position here. And I do have all the trades live for you, so I'm going to go over that as well as all the small caps that were in play. But also I wanted to remind you, if you saw the video on Saturday, if you haven't seen it, make sure you click that video and check it out. Once I hit 10,000 subscribers, which should happen, I would imagine sometime this year, I'm going to do a giveaway. And that giveaway is going to be a fully funded small trading account for someone, one of my subscribers. Hopefully it's somebody that really needs, an account that they've never had one and they want to start trading. But it doesn't matter because it's going to be a randomized raffle. Okay, so we'll do a video and then we'll get one of the comments from that video, with one of those generators that just picks a comment, and boom, that's the winner. We're going to do that, but it's only going to be for subscribers. So you want to make sure you've subscribed to the channel. So make sure to subscribe now if you haven't. Okay, and if you don't mind, share my link out there with my channel on your Twitter, on your stock tweets, on your Facebook, everywhere, so that we can keep growing. And the more subscribers we get, the faster we'll get to that. And the faster somebody is going to win a free $500 trading account. can't go wrong with that, right? So that's my way of thanking you for the help and for subscribing to my channel, smashing the like button, and commenting in the comment section below and supporting my channel. So thank you very much, guys. Now let's go ahead and move on with the rest of this video. So TOCA was on watch from Friday. It's a huge move that it made from 80 some odd cents all the way up here to $2.25 area. It pulled it in, made a new high right before the close, and then pulled it back in. And we had the gap up today. We had a little bit of a gap up. Yeah, a little gap up. A little gap up. So we had the push off the bell, and then that's it. That's all she did. It's just a quick push off the bell, and then took it all back, little bounce, and now just drifting lower. So nothing for me on TOCA. Then we had SPCE. I had this on watch. I had a massive gap down. All right, from 33, almost $34, all the way down here to 29 and change, 29.10 low of day. So it gapped down with the SPY, and then it bounced, and it's actually been holding up, I mean, pretty decent above VWAP. Nothing there for me. And then we had GNPX. Now here on GNPX, I still have it on watch. We're quickly getting closer to lunchtime, so I'm not going to trade this in lunchtime. But if it holds VWAP in the afternoon, there might be a trade to be had there. GNPX had this quick pop, halt, and then it just kind of grinded around there, and now it's just holding VWAP. So definitely going to keep this on watch. But that's it for me on the small caps. I know we had COCP make a move. COCP. This one made a move, and it's been pretty clean, but it's a higher float, right? 26 million, not too bad. I traded 26 million float. But it's had a real nice clean move, pretty decent. Just got halted on the way down now, and it's so far holding. So keep that one on watch too. But apart from those two, we didn't really have much else in the small cap world popping off strong. And my main focus was strictly SPY. And I went ahead, like I said earlier, and I got chopped up around here. But then I did take part in this little fade right here under VWAP. And I went 3 trades. I took 2 losses and 1 winner. And that 1 winner was enough to get me right back into the green on the day. And I hit well over a base hit on the day. So I'm really happy about that. I could have taken more profits down closer to the lows of this consolidation area here. But I didn't, because I was really holding the last piece, looking for a test of the low of day. Because I figured we'd get ourselves a test down there and maybe, boom, hit a nice home run trade. And as we talk about this, look at that. See, that's the candle I was looking for right here. But I got stopped out when it started coming back up here of my last piece. So we're going to go ahead and bring up that live trade right now here. And let's go ahead. Actually, you know what? Let me show you, let me show you the first trade. I took 3 trades. I only recorded 2, the first one and the last one. See, in here, I took 2 contracts. I was taking 1 or 2, just starter positions, looking to add as we broke under VWAP. I was expecting, resistance, 9 EMA resistance. All this is resistance. So I'm expecting it to break underneath VWAP. And it doesn't. It pushes up, makes a new high, and squeezes me out. And right there, I get out of those. That was like $50, $50 and change loss. My next trade after that was 1 contract, another $40 loss. And before I knew it, I was down right around $90 on the day. And I was like, okay, well, this is fine because, it's well within my bracket of losses, but I was like, okay, let's just keep waiting. Let's be patient. See, yesterday I was thinking this is going to be an awesome day, huge day. But when we opened up, I was like, well, let me pull the reins back. Let me pull the throttle back, and let's be a little bit more conservative and careful, because this can get real nasty real fast if we're not careful. And, I got chopped up here. 1 red trade here, 1 red trade here somewhere, and then my green trade in here. And that's the one I'm going to go over right now. So let's check out this green trade right here. So here I am. We're finally getting this breakdown. I take my 2 contracts, and I'm looking to add as we break down more to a full-size position. So there we go. I'm in already 9 contracts. I'm looking, you see, this is VWAP. This is the 9 EMA, 325 area. That's been support. I'm looking for all this area to become resistance now, and get this 9 EMA to cross down over VWAP and push the SPY further down to test the low of day. Okay, that's my plan. And I'm being very, very, very patient because you already know I'm down on the day, 90 bucks. And you know, these little 9 contracts where I already have 178 bucks there unrealized. I could easily take that and say, okay, I'm back on the green. But I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to let my emotions, play out, my unrealized P&L, play out my realized P&L on the day. I didn't want my emotions to do any of that. I wanted to, be conservative, but at the same time, be patient and let the trade work itself out. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. So I'm letting it work itself out. I'm in these with a cost basis of 95 cents. They're popping off at $1.30. So I'm up real nice on the trade so far. But I'm really looking for the big push down. Right there, I take 3 contracts off of the 9. And those 3 contracts alone put me well back into the green on the day. Okay, so those already made back my 90 some odd dollar loss. Plus I had like 35 bucks in profit or something like that. So now I'm letting, I take another 3 off right there. And I'll show you all these orders. And that puts me up well above $100 in a day. Now I said to myself, okay, these 3 contracts, I'm going to put a stop on quote, so a hard stop order at $1.07. These 3 are from 99 cents that I added at 99 cents. So, going to be green all around on the trade. And I actually got up and walked away from my desk for a few minutes there to pick up a package outside that had arrived. So I was really going to let this trade try to work itself out. And I really do. I let it move around a lot until here, right? Like here, I was happy because look, I have 3 contracts and I'm up 142 bucks, right? Right there, I could have taken that and it would have put me up almost close to 300, about 260 bucks on the day or something like that. But no, because I know that if we go down here to test this low, these 3 contracts are probably going to make me about 300 bucks, right? That's the target. That's the target and my risk reward is there. So I hold on tight. But we get this bounce back and I'm like, let's see if this 90 MA can hold it down. And so far it holds it down, but I close it out. And I'm glad I do because that's what I read would happen. But then VWAP starts to hold resistance. And VWAP has been resistance ever since. So I closed those out at $1.08. And VWAP has been resistance the whole time. Look at that. Like we bounced, resistance, bounced, resistance. And now finally we got a drop candle here. And we're going off at $1.50. So I'm going to refocus and take a look at this. See if there's anything else I can do. But for now, that's it for me today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button for me. And I hope to catch you on the next one.